senior here at P-Tech, and my pathway is computer information systems.
What drew me into Hudson Valley P-Tech was how the classes were smaller, so you were able to interact with the teachers and other students.
I feel like Hudson Valley P-Tech is a huge upgrade in terms of the resources that they provide. You could even graduate with your associate's degree as a senior here at P-Tech.
It's free college for 2 years, so who wouldn't take that? You have a stronger bond with the teachers than you would at your other school. One of P-Tech's biggest things is internships. They get you hands-on learning as soon as possible.
Our family loves P-Tech because it's career focused with real world experiences for them. They get really personalized individual attention from their counselors. My oldest son graduated from Hudson Valley P-Tech with his associates in cybersecurity, which is amazing. I would highly recommend Hudson Valley P-Tech. Reach for the stars and you'll go higher.